Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and I hope you're all having a great weekend. Well, today we're going to be working on Peter Rabbit Garden. I got this from VIPCrossStitch and today we are going to be working on Peter Rabbit himself. As you know, it's almost finished, so I thought I'd add a couple more colors. The first color number is 435. It's kind of a golden brown, if you will. So we'll just put some of it in. And, whoa, sorry, my bad. Yeah. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well. Jeepers creepers. It's been a weekend. I am telling you. Yesterday was just outstanding. Just couldn't have asked for better weather. It was just absolutely gorgeous. And we had a blast. Going here, going there, going across little creeks, getting our feet wet. As usual, that happens. But yeah, it was a lovely time with my daughter and my granddaughter. And then we went to the truck stop and, whoops, so sorry, and had pizza. We ate there. And yeah, it was fun. I hope you saw my video this morning. It was just a quick video and kind of clips of here, there, and everywhere we went. But yeah, I'm going to bring it in just a little bit more. 14 count, you know, it commands just being a little bit closer. So, yeah. And got home, 1:30-ish or so. And sat down because we really need to sit down. It's a tiny hike. I mean, nothing on the big radar, but you know, walking around and walking over rocks and all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, my back was kind of starting to hurt, but I wasn't gonna let it ruin my day. But and my daughter's was too, so we decided, I think, that we're going to go out again this next coming up week. I'm not sure what day, but and go, because some of the color was not fully developed, shall we say. So we'll see if we can get there before it snows. I don't know that it will or won't, but if it gets cold and we get a terrible freeze, then yeah, it'll be done. So we'll see. And we were coming down one of those little roads. I could not get my camera together fast enough, and I still didn't get the picture. A moose ran right across the road. Now, this was a 2-lane dirt road, if you will, within that camping area. He was pretty big. He just went stomping right across the road and up into the back country. And yeah, but that was kind of awesome. He didn't stop or nothing. He just went right across the road. And I don't think I've been up there at that lake and actually seen any moose. So yeah, that was kind of cool. We saw lots and lots of people, though, as you can tell from some of those pictures. They were here, there, and everywhere. So I think today's going to be a little rainy, or just look like rain. You know how it does. So, yeah. That was kind of an unexpected surprise. And before I forget, I did get a picture from Sharon Martin. This is a finish. I'll put that right here. Thank you, Sharon. It is gorgeous. It's a Mill Hill kit. So yeah, I just thought that was beautiful. You did a great job. Thank you for sending that, Sharon, to me so I could get it in so everybody could see your work. And I'm out of focus again. Yeah, I sure do appreciate it. If anybody else has any pictures of anything they're working on, they don't have to be finishes. And be whatever you're working on, and it does not have to just be cross stitch. It can be whatever craft it is that you're into. We like to see everything. And my email address is in the description box below. So send it to me and I'll get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. So yeah, yay. Ring the bell. They had a finish. Oh, dog, damn it. Gotta go this way. Silly girl. No, I'm not going backwards. I am upside down. I think we got a little bit more of this color in his paws and his little back paws. Then this color will be done. There's probably 8 more symbols because it's a little minute compared to some that I've seen. Minute confetti. So just a few stitches here and there. Yesterday I worked on, oh my goodness, what the heck was it? I don't remember. I know I did. Yeah, I was pretty well tired. We were all kind of wore out. So at least I got today to recover, so that's a good thing. Thought there was another symbol there, but it's just the blue. Of this, the bottom of his jacket. And I haven't looked into how much back stitching we've got to do here, but we're just gonna say it doesn't exist until I'm ready for it to exist, you know? I don't need to get real excited about it. Some people, they do the back stitching as they go. It'd probably make more sense, but you know, not me. I'm just more concerned with getting it stitched. That seems to be the big hoopty. So we'll see. Well, we got most of that done. There's just a little bit down here on its paws, and just a tad bit, so one strand should be more than enough for all that. Excuse me, what did I do with my scissors? Oh man, stuff on this table has been moved and not moved and shuffled so many times. After a while you just need to clean it off, I know. Okay, let's start. The second color is 739. It's kind of a buff color, if you will. So we'll see how much of this I get. And it's kind of scattered here. I'll probably try to work on my hairpin ladies today. that thread is still calling my name. So that I got out the other day and didn't get back to it because heaven knows, one thing or another. So sorry, I'm a little close. Just gonna pull you this way because I keep pulling this way. What is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun, something that you like to work on and it brings you joy. That is the name of this game. I can't believe work is tomorrow. It's like, really? Okay. I know I say this every week. I don't know what kind of a week it's going to be. I didn't look at the weather or the temperatures or, you know. I just know it's going to rain today, so we'll see if that ever happens. And it's only going to be about 68 degrees. That was another thing. We had sweatpants and hoodies on. And we were perfectly comfortable until towards the end, you know, we got out to go into the truck stop to get the pizza. It was starting to get a little warm. And by the time I got home, I was ready to peel out of those clothes and put on shorts. So I have no idea, maybe mid-70s is where that got to. So, yeah. It wasn't too bad or hot or freezing cold, and the wind was not bad, so yay! It was perfect. It was just absolutely perfect. Glorious day. Blue skies. And of course, you know, later in the afternoon, the clouds had to come in, but it never did anything. Just got cloudy. So I don't know if it was working up to what's going to transpire today or not. You know? Around here, you never know. Wait 5 minutes and the weather will change. So, it happens all the time. Oh, darn. I'm working my way into a dead end here, but we're just gonna take it right back down. This has a lot of colors in it. I don't know if I can tell you. 97. Yeah, 97 colors, maybe 98. So it has a lot going for it. And it makes it nice on the shading on the coats and the coat that they're wearing, I should say, and their coats, their fur coats. So yeah, it's very well detailed. But I do like working on this. It's such a nice little joy. You can pick it up and do a small, you know, motif, or you can do one that's a little more complicated. Well, I say complicated, meaning there's more than 2 or 3 colors. You know? No rush. I'd like to get him finished just 'cause we've got a lot of it done. It does seem like it should be finished, so maybe I can work on this a little bit today and finish up the little tail ends for Peter Rabbit here. Say I've got one full motif done, because I'd like to get on to other characters or things that are in this. I really wanted to do the oh, what is it? Watering can down there. It's in 2 or 3 shades of green. Well, maybe probably more, but And a pretty watering can and the little rabbit inside. It's so cute. The whole thing is just precious. I love it. Just love it. I've loved Peter Rabbit since I knew about the story of Peter Rabbit. And that's been a hot moment, kids. Just beautifully illustrated books. And this is just outstanding. All right, guys, I think just get that one more. These holes seem so small compared to that 11 count. It just kind of drives me over the edge. I love it. So I could pick up easily either one of these. So we should have a Peter Rabbit day. But not sure how I could work that into the repertoire, but you know, just because I enjoy stitching on it. Well, there we go. Trying to get to an edge. And then put the needle somewhere so it doesn't skip town. Let me pull you out and flip it around. Isn't he pretty? Just, love it. I love the muted, antique-y looking colors. They're just absolutely stunning. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today and putting up with me chit-chatting. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.